Nearby Ford Focus repairs. Ford Motor Company is an American multinational automobile manufacturer headquartered in Dearborn, Michigan, United States. It was founded by Henry Ford and incorporated on June 16, 1903. The company sells automobiles and commercial vehicles under the Ford brand, and luxury cars under its Lincoln Luxury brand. The company is listed on the New York Stock Exchange and is controlled by the Ford family. They have minority ownership but the majority of the voting power. Servicing your Ford Focus regularly is essential to ensure its performance, reliability, and longevity. Here are some key maintenance services to consider. Regular oil changes. Follow the manufacturer's recommended oil change intervals, typically every 5,000 to 7,500 miles, depending on driving conditions and the type of oil used. Regular oil changes help keep the engine lubricated and running smoothly. Fluid checks and changes. Check and replace fluids such as coolant, brake fluid, transmission fluid, and power steering fluid as needed. Proper fluid levels and quality are crucial for the smooth operation of various vehicle systems. Tire maintenance. Rotate your tires regularly to promote even wear and extend tire life. Check tire pressure monthly and adjust as needed. Inspect tires for signs of wear or damage, and replace them if necessary. Brake inspection and maintenance. Inspect the brake system regularly, including brake pads, rotors, calipers, and brake lines. Replace worn brake components and flush the brake fluid as recommended. Air filter replacement. Replace the engine air filter and cabin air filter at regular intervals to ensure proper airflow and maintain interior air quality. Battery inspection. Check the battery regularly for signs of corrosion, leaks, or weak performance. Clean terminals and replace the battery if necessary to ensure reliable starting and electrical system operation. Suspension and steering maintenance. Inspect suspension components, such as shocks, struts, and control arms, for signs of wear or damage. Also, check the steering system for any abnormalities and address any issues promptly. Timing belt or chain inspection. If your Ford Focus is equipped with a timing belt, inspect it regularly and replace it as recommended by the manufacturer. If it has a timing chain, check for any signs of wear or damage. Regular vehicle inspections. Schedule regular inspections of your Ford Focus to identify any potential issues early on and address them before they escalate into costly repairs. By staying proactive with maintenance and addressing any issues promptly, you can keep your Ford Focus running smoothly and enjoy its performance for years to come. Be sure to follow the recommended maintenance schedule outlined in your owner's manual and consult with a qualified mechanic or dealership for any specific maintenance needs or concerns.